Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming credentials and power. Make sure you know the Apple ID and password connected to the iPhone. This is essential because activation lock links to that account. Once done, charge the device above 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi or a computer. Back up your data to iCloud or Finder now so you can restore later. Next, decide whether you'll use Settings, Find My, or Recovery Mode. We'll start with Settings if you still have access to the device. You now remove the locks tied to the account. Open Settings, disable Face ID or Touch ID and the device passcode so you can make account changes. Then go to Settings, tap your name, choose Find My, and toggle off Find My iPhone. You'll be prompted for the Apple ID password. This is why you verified credentials. After that, sign out of iCloud on the device. Signing out removes activation lock. If you cannot access Settings, make sure to use the Find My website or Recovery Mode on a computer next. You finish by erasing the iPhone to clear the lock. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then erase all content in Settings. This completes the removal if you signed out of iCloud. Once erased, restart and restore from the backup you made earlier. If activation lock still appears, go to iCloud. To remove the device from the account or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. They can remove locks when ownership is verified. If stuck, double-check Apple ID credentials and proof documents before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.